Hey there, welcome to Bob's Cooking and Stuff. Today we're making a shrimp loaded twice baked potato. It's got cheese, bacon bits, sour cream, a cheese sauce. It's great. You're going to love it. Stay tuned. Okay, we're poking holes in our potatoes to allow the steam to vent as they cook. Okay, now we're gonna rub on some bacon up to help crisp the skin. Wrap each potato in aluminum foil. Bake the potatoes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Okay, we're gonna pull off some parsley to cook in with our shrimp. Now we're gonna chop up some chives. Okay, we've thawed and dried our shrimp. Got a pan over medium heat. I'm going to add just a tiny bit of olive oil to keep the butter from burning. Not much at all. Put a full stick of butter in the pan for the shrimp. In the meantime, we'll pepper our shrimp. Put us a big spoonful of that garlic in there, maybe even a little more than that, spoonful and a half. We're using the minced garlic from a jar, or jarlic if you prefer, for this recipe. We're gonna make sauce out of this when we're done frying our shrimp. Okay, Okay, we're going to add a little bit of lemon juice. We're pulling this when the shrimp is just done because it's going to cook more in the oven when we add it to the baked potato. Now we're going to add a little bit of heavy cream. We're going to add our parsley that we chopped up. The potatoes have been in the oven for an hour at 400 degrees. Okay, we're going to turn this down to low. A little bit more cream. We're going to cut the top of the potato off so we can scoop out the inside and make it hollow like a canoe. Save the tops and the flesh that you scoop out to make the filling for the potatoes. So now we're going to start scooping out the flesh from these potatoes, little at a time, and try not to crack the shell. Did a little bit right there. Okay, we've got our flesh put into our bowl and we're mashing them up. Add a little pepper. Now we're going to add some sour cream. We're going to add some butter. A little bit more sour cream. Now we're going to cut up a little bit of the shrimp. to also go inside the potato mixture. And we'll mix that up, get the shrimp spread around in the potatoes. Now, we're going to add a little bit of cheese to the bottom of the shells. Put a little dab of cream cheese in each one. Now we're gonna start stuffing the potatoes back in. Okay, we've stuck a few shrimp on top. I'm going to go back and put a little bit more cheese. We'll stick these back in the oven, turn it down to 350, and they'll cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, now we're going to come back and add some cheese to our sauce to thicken it up. Just a couple of good pinches, maybe 3, because I like cheesy. Turn it up just a little bit until that gets melted. This sauce is amazing, and it's really what makes this dish. We're adding a little bit of chicken broth to thin the sauce out and give it a little bit of savory flavor. Okay, so here are the potatoes out of the oven for the second time. We'll get these plated up. Please like, comment, and share. Add some bacon bits. Some chives. Please subscribe to the channel to help us grow. And there you have it, a shrimp loaded twice baked potato.